Welcome to Chartlins. So I think from day before yesterday itself, I'm continuously repeating that there was a lot of squats from last 2 days. So before taking any new risk, trades, just be cautious because let me open my Twitter account. Yeah, if you see here, I think this was on Jan 6th. I clearly mentioned there is a lot squats in market today, so I prefer to wait for a few more days before adding any fresh positions. And my most of my trades were risk-free trades. So if I want to add any additional risk, I will definitely wait for some days. So because there was a lot of squats actually, and even portfolio also was not moving much. Even though I was very much bullish on certain sector like auto, gold, metals, but still I was a bit cautious. Unless many of my trades were moving do good, then only I would open my position. But anyway, that 2 days was very crucial because a lot of squats were happening in market. Breakout was not sustaining, and probably that's the reason today also market has fallen very badly. Maybe there is a lot of fundamental news again, like Trump, all this 500% tariff, all these things. But anyway, let's focus on like chart analysis. So if you've seen Nifty today, from last 3 days it was closing negatively, and today in fact I was expecting some kind of pullback today, but it has even closed below 21 EMA, and with good volumes on that, it has broken its trend line also. Now probably it should come back within a few days. This part of the fall has happened. If not, probably we should head to another vacation. Like it will be very, market will be very much weak and brutal. And looking at the trend line, I feel market will again will drop from here. Like it will drop another vertical. Look like trend line, a breakdown kind of thing. That's a Nifty level. Like Bank Nifty was very much strong compared to Nifty. So some point of, I mean, in one point of time around 10:30, I guess Bank Nifty was trading above yesterday high. So I was expecting maybe it might sustain at high, but no, again it closed at the low of the day. So I think Bank Nifty also might fall from here. Let's see. But anyway, but if you see other sectors, it was brutally fall, especially metals. You look at the metal, like in a single day, it has fallen more than 3%. Anyway, it was a two vertical move priorly, but still 3% fall from index, because most of the index were like falling like anything. Look at this Nifty, energy index, all the index were falling. Even our strong sectors also were brutally falling, and so nothing much to explain. Everything was like like sea of red today. So let us go to my positions. What I did. This was the one which I was holding. Like let me open all the stocks. So this one like was a metal sector. So I exited 86 today because I pyramid at the wrong point. So I kept some aggressive stop loss, so it got triggered. Not aggressive, but fine. Anyway, I was in break even point in this stock because of my pyramid position. So when I opened, it was 0.25 risk, and then I closed it today at the no loss profit zone. So this is one thing. And today which I closed was Muthoot Finance. I didn't took my stop loss. I closed bit early because I gave enough time, 3 days to move. I did not move. So anyway, it was our close to 21 AM. I don't want to hold it also because of the market bearishness. So I exited. And IDBI, after moving 10%, it was not sustaining. Look at this fall. I know I exited some in strength in this zone. Remaining I was holding to my cost, since it was closed very badly today, and I don't know it's gonna recover soon this again. So I exited today completely on my position. K rating also another stock which got breakout again. It was not able to sustain. I kept stop loss somewhere this zone because already we had 3 days of consolidation. Because of that, I kept it here. It got triggered. It was like little bit. I mean, I think 1 is to 1.5 profit zone I booked. Bank Nifty, which I had actually Bank Nifty I closed yesterday. I forgot somewhere around. I think I closed somewhere around 888 yesterday itself. My buy position, which I took recently. I know I lost my profit, but that's fine. Uh, so that's fine. So that's fine. And other stock, Pure Silver already exited. Maruti also actually yesterday I exited because I didn't expect this fall. So I exited at cost actually. I kept my stop loss at entry price, so I exited. This is why that's what I was telling. Like whenever my strong stocks is not performing, that means market breadth is weak. So I literally doesn't open my new positions, and I think it was clearly visible from last 2 days. If someone is active in market, they'll be definitely you know agreeing what I'm saying, that there is a lot of squats. Even if you do regular scanning, you'll come to know that yeah, there are a lot of there are a lot of squats. And market look at this giant break also, same thing happened. It squat again. It's about to break the base also. So this is common phenomenon, And Sri Piston also exited today because I gave enough time, 3 days to move. It did not move, so I closed it today. This also with the minor loss, not much, less than 0.25% I gave. Sales also I gave enough time. And I was expecting this day pull back day, but did not happen. So I exited close to entry point one because I had pyramid here, so I had to close. Aluminum I closed it yesterday when it got squat. Anyway, I had a very good profit. Probably this commodity has been very much good for me from last few months. This vertical move, I don't want to lose my open profit, so I closed it yesterday. Even though I closed it some years, so, but anyway, it was a very good trade for me. This last 2 months, aluminum really was very good, so I closed it. Jacketer, I'm still holding it. This is my weekly trade, so I'm still holding. And yeah, so overall, if you see currently market is very much weak, so do not take any open trades. But I have taken some nifty position put option today because I'm assuming market will fall from further from here. So I kept stop loss somewhere around 26 138, and I took at closing. So, and in fact I sell few put options, few call options at the very deep OTM out of the money on the call side. I mean the upside 26 800, 26 900 zone. So I expect market should fall further because looking at the chart current of today, if really it's strong, it has to come back within 2 to 3 days of time. But I don't think, looking at all the index, I don't think any indices is ready to give that kind of you know more on upside. So it's better to stay away from market for some time unless we got proper direction. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.